Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Isa from PrintStick, and in this video I will go through everything that's included in the brand new value packs. So there's two of these packs available. One comes in portrait orientation, so it has a planner and a notebook, and these come in portrait mode. And then you also have the option of getting exactly the same but in landscape view, so it's up to you which one you pick. However, the sticker book that is also included in each of the packs does change, so you can also purchase it separately if you only want the landscape pack, let's say, and you want to have the sticker book that's included in the portrait pack. You can do that as well. So let me show you. I'm gonna start showing you everything included in the landscape pack. And so the first thing you get is this guide. I always advise you to check it out. There's a lot of useful information and tips and an explanation of everything that's included and how everything works. This page here tells you where the links are in the planner, where to tap, and how to move around the planner, so make sure to check that out. And the next thing you get is your planner, which is this one here. Let me go to the beginning. Here you get different covers in different colors. You get 7 different options of front covers, and you also get the back covers. So if you want to change the color here, you can just tap and drag on any color, bring it right at the front, and then when you close here and you go back out to this screen in GoodNotes, you will be able to see that cover that you just chose. And now what's included in the planner, you have this spiral which will take you to this main page where you have all of the spreads included in the planner right here. So you have 7 weekly spreads, so I just numbered them from 1 to 7, and you have the option to have that week starting with a Monday, or you can also have the option to start the weeks on Sunday, and then you have the option to start the weeks without any days, so you can just choose whichever day you want or use these spreads for something else. I'm gonna show you real quick what they all look like. So this is spread number 1. Spread number 2, this is actually 3 boxes, I'm not sure you can see very well, and then you have 8 boxes like this. Another option, this is horizontal boxes with some space on the right side, and horizontal boxes without any space on the right side. You get these horizontal boxes, 8 of them, and then you get the same but with a division for each day. And then you get all of the same spreads that I just showed you, but with a Sunday start. And if you keep swiping, you will get to the ones that have no days at all. So you can start on any day of the week, or you can use this for another purpose. So I'm gonna tap again on my spiral to go back here. And after the weekly spreads, you get these extra grid papers. So you have your dotted spread. This page has dots. Then you have your rule page with just lines. You have your Cornell notes style, which allows you to take notes in this way. Then you have your square grid page, so it's just a square grid. And I've also included an all white page, so this has nothing at all. And you also get a light gray page. You can use this to keep white stickers or anything else that wouldn't work on white. So when you get to the monthly spreads, and the way to do that is you tap on any of them here at the top. So I'm tapping on January, January opens, and if I swipe left, I go straight to February. That means that there's no weeks included in the month of January, but if I want to use any, I would just go to my weeks, select the one I want, tap on my squares on the left here, then click on this arrow, click on duplicate, or I can also just select this one. Okay, then click on copy up here, then click on done. Now go back to January here, so I'm in the right position. Click on the squares again, click on this arrow again, and click on add page after, paste page, and that has brought this weekly spread. So if I go to January and I swipe left, I have a weekly spread, and I can duplicate this as many times as needed to populate my month. So all of the months are undated. You will get dates in the sticker book included. I'll show you that in a second. And you also have these 4 empty sections on the right side, and these are linked throughout the planner. So all you have to do is tap on each of these tabs, and that will take you to a completely blank dotted page. Again, you can duplicate pages and add them behind these sections so that you have more room, but you can customize and use this as you wish. And this is the end of the planner. So here I have my back covers. And I just want to quickly show you what the portrait version of this same planner looks like. So I'm gonna open portrait, and it's this one. So this works best if you're using your iPad this way, vertically, okay? So you also have the different colors for the covers as shown here. You also have your index, which again you can access by tapping on the spiral from any page. You have your blank sections, your same papers. And let me show you actually what the weekly spreads look like. So just so you get an idea what it looks like when it's in this mode. The lines are like super faint. Keep that in mind. I like to keep it that way so you can customize more and cover them if needed, but some people might find them too faint. So just know that they're light gray. So you have that one, you have this one with 3 boxes and spaces at the bottom. Then you have another spread with 8 boxes. Another spread with 8 horizontal boxes plus some space on the right side. There you go. Then you have this one without the space on the right side, it's just horizontal boxes. Again, 8 boxes but more horizontal, and the same but divided at the end. And then you get exactly the same but with a Sunday start. And if you keep swiping, you will get to the ones that have no words at all. Here, so it's just the boxes. Alright, so that's for the planner. So both packs include the exact same planner, as I said, just a different orientation of the planner. Then you also get a notebook, and this notebook also has different options for the covers, also 7 of them. And then you get an index here. So let's say I'm in this cover and I tap on my spiral, it's gonna take me to this index page. Now here you have the opportunity to label all of these tabs, so you know which tab is which, okay? So whenever you are in any page of the planner, you would tap on your spiral, go back to your index, and then you can see, find the section that you're looking for, okay? Once you find it, you would just tap on this tab and that section will open. Now, what's special about this notebook is that you get 5 sections inside of each of the main 12 sections here, okay? So if I open my green tab, I'm gonna have 5 other sections linked here. So I can put the title of this main section. For example, you can use this for each month of the year. So this would be January, February, March, April. This green one would be May. So I can write here May or finances for May, something like that. And then I have 5 more sections. So for example, I can do like home financing, and this could be savings, and this could be debt repayment, something like that. And each one of these buttons will open a brand new section. Now to go back to that main section, as you can see, this is the one that's selected, so I just tap there and it brings me back to this small index, and then I can pick a different section. Again, you have a box here to label this page, and this one is all white, so you can add whatever you want. And of course you get some extra papers that you can use to populate this section. So if I swipe here, I'm jumping to the next subsection, but if I add extra papers, I can just have extra room to write, keep notes, etc. Okay, so they all change colors as you change the section. These are all of the colors included. And to find those extra papers that I mentioned, you can scroll all the way at the top, or just tap on your spiral to go back to this index page, swipe left from there, and that's where you will find these papers. So you have your dotted page, your rule page, your Cornell notes page, and your square grid. And of course you have an all white page as well. You also get your back covers that are the exact same colors as the front covers, but just flipped, just to make it more realistic. And that's it for the notebook. Now I'm going to show you what the landscape notebook looks like. It's exactly the same, but in landscape mode. So just gonna flip this back. So if I tap on my spiral, I'm gonna go to my index. Here you have these labels vertically. So if you enter any text, you have to rotate it 90 degrees, and then you can place it here. And same thing, you open your sections, you have room to write the title of the section and room to write the titles of the 5 subsections, which you can just access using these buttons here on the left. You have the same types of papers included, which are located behind your index page, so right here. Another thing that's included with each of the packs is a mini sticker book, I call it. It's not so mini, it's 180 something stickers for each. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Oops, let me go to the beginning. So this is the cover of the sticker book. If I tap here, the sticker book will open. I have this cute dashboard where you can keep your favorite stickers or notes or anything you want. This dashboard will be accessible by tapping on the spiral from any page in this book. Then you have these 3 tabs that open each of the sections of the sticker book. So this is section number 1. You have some days of the week here. You have your date covers and other number options. Since the planner that comes with this is undated, so I gave you some options to quickly date your planner and make the process a little easier. You have more weekdays here, months, some banners and boxes. And if you swipe or tap on this second tab, you have more decorative stickers. And the third tab has yet more stickers in different colors. Okay, remember that these are all ready to be used. So if you select your lasso tool here and using your pencil, you can just make a selection on the sticker and it will be ready to be used. Tap, click on copy, and for example, go to your notebook, tap and hold, click on paste, and your sticker is ready to be used. That's how those work. Here. And you get a blank page right at the end in case that you need more room to add your own stickers. You can keep all of them here. And you have your back cover here. If you tap on this left part with your note pen icon selected, then you will go to the front of the book. Now I want to mention there is a difference between the sticker book included with the landscape planner, which is the one you just saw, and I labeled this mini sticker book A, just so you know, and the portrait bundle or pack includes a different sticker book, which is the mini sticker book B, just so you know. So the stickers are different. The color of the album itself is also different. This one's purple, but I'm going to show you. You also get your dashboard accessible by tapping on this spiral from any page, and you get your 3 sections. The same way, you have days of the week, numbers to date your months. You have these dots and some more months here. Then you get these cute colorful stickers. I'm going to show you more detail. And the last page has these cute people that I really like, as well as some badges and banners. And as you can see, the style of the stickers in this book is like, I don't know, like cartoony or something. You have this like black outline with bright colors in the inside. And then you also get the white page right at the end to add extra stickers. And then you get to your back cover. Okay, so you saw that the planner and the notebooks are exactly the same in both views. The sticker book is different, the guide is also the same, and the guide, just so you know, shows the landscape planners and notebooks, but it works exactly the same. Both planners and both notebooks have the links. Obviously, some of them are at the top, and in the other mode, they are on the right side of the page. It's pretty intuitive, and you will be able to get through it. So just make sure to check out the guide. Even if you get the portrait mode, please still read this guide. It will really help you. Okay, and the last thing included with this pack, and I'm so excited about this, is a brand new font that I called Cuevas Caps font. So this font is all caps. That means that if you type with a capital or a lowercase letter, the letter will be the same. It will be capital, okay? And you get the numbers. So you can use this for titles, or you can use this to write special dates or events in your planner or notebook. And in fact, this guide that I just mentioned, all of the titles are using that font. I really like it. I think it's really cute. This is it. I hope that you like it as well. Always forgetting to mention that you can download the guide that's included in this bundle, so you can check out everything that comes with the planner and how it works before purchasing, and you can get this for free from the group on Facebook. I'm gonna link it down below, so make sure to join. But yeah, guys, so this is everything that's included with this brand new pack. I think it's a super great deal, especially if you want to like try different things, so check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, so you don't miss out on any future videos that I upload. And if you have any questions, just drop me a comment below here and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.